Hi, everybody, and today I'm going to talk about a very interesting question. It is about binary classification. Um, it is kind of um trying to tell the material whether it is made of a metal or it is made of a rock. So from the signals and different vectors or different variables, um, features, analyze it, and to do the um, differentiation between these two materials. So it's very interesting, and it was originally uh, kind of studied as an example for the neural network research. Somehow, um, this is a very kind of not a large data set, so maybe in the early days it may not give us good results. Now let's look at the data and look at the model itself. We're going to use the correct package to run our model. So it's fairly flexible. You can change the model as you want to try different configurations, different models, and we're trying to search the optimized results. So it can be a very interesting tool to use. We also loaded the ML bench library. Somehow we need to load the E1071 package. It's may related to the support vector machine uh, master inside. Let's take a look at the data. As we can see, there are 60 columns as the features. At the last column, it is a class or a label to see whether this is a rock or this is metal. So that's our goal, trying to tell what's the what's the different material. Let's just set the seed, split the data, and we can skip these exploration steps and and go to the training and testing set. So as we can see, we have about 50 51 observations in a testing set. So it's a fairly small testing set. So then we set up the model parameters. We're going to use a cross validation method to run it a few times, and then we're going to fit the model and use the rock as the matrix to evaluate the model. So it's take a few seconds. So that's a plot of the curve. So as we see, it's as the features, how many features, like a component you choose, what's the kind of a rock curve it can achieve. So um, well, this is a peak point. That could be one of the interesting areas we can choose. Um, let's run the prediction to see how it performs on the new data set. Um, we run the prediction. We take a look at the prediction and then the component here, and then we will look at the confusion matrix. and mainly it's to see the accuracy here um, along along this diagonal. So we see it's roughly 74-75% accuracy. It's not very high. It needs some room to still have a lot of room to make improvement. So, well, today I'm just show you the basic steps and how to launch the model and how to do the data split and parameters setup and the training as well as how to form a confusion matrix. In the following models, I'm going to try different model selections to see how it can improving the model performances. Well, hope you enjoy this video, and I'll see you next time.